I'm about to try out this Perfect Serum. This is original hair serum. I like this bright orange box. This was sent to me so I could try it out. It says, after towel drying hair, apply the contents about an amount of the size of a coin on the entire hair and dry. After drying the hair, apply on the tips of hair as a finishing touch. Okay, so here's the bottle, and then I'll be back after I wash my hair. Time to give it a try. There we go. That might be a lot, maybe not. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like their argan oil hair mask, which is one of my favorite scents. Okay, I'm putting it all throughout my hair. It feels really nice, and again, I just can't get enough of this scent. It's so good. Just got done blow drying my hair. It actually was a lot easier to blow dry, like the round brush was going through really well. I didn't do the best job, so I'm not going anywhere, but my hair, I can definitely feel the serum because I am so overdue for a haircut. My ends are just screaming for help. So I do notice that I used the serum. My hair is not greasy or left heavy from the serum. There's a light scent left over. I like that smell so much. I wish there was more left over, but it's just light. My hair smells good. And yeah, my hair feels healthier than it did the last time I blow dried it without the serum. So I like it.